Today we are gonna create effect that makes flowers look like ghosts. It looks cool and even a little bit creepy. For that we will need electronics, photo frame, glue and soldering iron. And of course some skill to connect everything together. Nah, actually it wasn't that simple. In reality, to create this device I was sewing, cutting, drilling and soldering. But let's start from the beginning. First of all, I cut off aluminum corners and glued them to a photography frame that I bought in a closest market. Then I cut LED strip according to sizes of the frame. LED strip has a glue layer on it and easily stick to aluminum corners. To create box for electronics I used chipboard, which I cut with a stationary knife. To assemble all pieces together I used good old cyanoacrylate glue. Must say it's not the best box I ever created, but it's simple and if you have no other materials like me, it's decent choice. By the way, this glue is so good that it doesn't peel off the skin, only together with the skin, so don't be me, use gloves. After I finished the box I drilled holes in it for wires and attached electromagnet to it with a steel corner and screw. Also in upper part of the box I made a narrow cut to secure a flexible plate, which I made from a plastic card. To this flexible plate we are going to attach our flowers. And now everything is ready for soldering. I think I spent around an hour to connect everything together, and eventually it looked like shit, but at least it worked. Next step was to write a piece of code for the Arduino Nano. Actually there is nothing complicated, we just need to turn on and off electromagnet and LED strip according to time intervals. In terms of Arduino, it's just setting output high and low when we need to. After programming I pushed all electronics inside the box and now we're ready for tests. And I must say my work was worth it. After playing with settings I managed to achieve beautiful picture. Flowers started to come alive, they moved weirdly, leaving a shadow behind. A few words about how it works. By turning the electromagnet on and off, we force the permanent magnet which is attached to the plastic plate to attract and repel. And accordingly, along with the plastic card, the flowers attached to it also moves. The frequency of these vibrations is several kilohertz. That means we turn the magnet on and off thousands of times per second. At the same time, the backlight of the flower flickers and illuminates it only at certain moments. And because of that, it seems to our eyes that the flower leaves a shadow behind it. Must say that in reality it looks exactly the same as in the video, and it's not some kind of a trick. I spent certain amount of time trying different flowers, trying to find the best one. For example, flash flowers move more slowly with a smaller amplitude, dry ones are faster, simply because they are less flexible. And here is the best shot I got. If you like this video, press like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.